How to get anonymous questions on Instagram stories. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to get anonymous questions on Instagram stories. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search Instagram. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. So the next thing that you have to do is since your Instagram application is updated, let's now go back to your homepage and open Instagram. It will directly lead you here in your homepage. Now, if you want, let's say you want to post that. So if you post that, let's go to create. On the upper part, you will see the sticker icon here. You click on that. Now, if you'll just use this one, you can actually see who sent you the question, so it won't be anonymous anymore. So to make it anonymous, I recommend for you to download the NGL on Play Store. You download that one. It looks like this. So before, you could actually connect it directly to your Instagram. So all you have to do is to type in your username or your @ and then it will open your Instagram and connect. It will directly connect you to your Instagram. Now, all you have to do is to copy your link, and then after copying that, you go to Instagram here, go to stickers, you go to create, go to stickers, and click link. Now, all you have to do is to paste the link and then click on done, and you have the link here. And they could, if they tap on the link here, now if someone will click on your link, they will be directed here and they could send you anonymous messages. So basically that is how you get anonymous questions on Instagram stories. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.